Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mithun, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can record your screen using OBS software. OBS is a free software that you can download from obsproject.com, and I've already shown you how to install it in a previous video, so please check that out if you need any assistance in the installation process. Once the installation is completed, all you have to do is open the OBS software using the icon in your desktop or anywhere in your computer. So I'm just going to open the software, and as you can see, it already has a bunch of sources added to it. So I'm just going to remove them so that I can show you how it is done. So in order to just record your computer screen, all you have to do is add a source in the sources panel by clicking on this plus icon and then selecting the display capture. Once you select the display capture, and you can name it whatever you want, and after that you can click on the OK button. Click on the OK button and it will automatically select the primary display, which is this one, and it will also select the capture method. It will also select the capture method. You don't have to do anything in this particular section. Just click on the OK button and boom, it has already started capturing the display. And now all you have to do is click on this record button and it will start recording the screen of your computer. Now, although you're recording the screen of your computer, you are still not capturing any audio. So if you want to capture the audio that is generated by your desktop, you can add that source as well. Just click on the plus icon in the sources panel and find the audio output capture also. The audio output capture actually lets you capture the audio that is generated by your computer. And now just click on the OK button. After you click on the OK button, it will ask you to select the default driver of your computer. So my default audio output driver is speakers, which is Realtek Audio. That's the driver that I have in my computer, and I'm going to click on the OK button. Now if you see, there is a audio output capture that is also available, which means that if I don't want any audio narration, all I want is the audio outputted from the computer and the screen recording, I can do that. Now what if I want to add audio narration? I can also do that by adding another source called audio input capture. Audio input capture means that it is going to capture the audio that is coming from an input device. In the previous settings in which we configured the desktop audio capture, we actually selected the audio output capture, which means that the audio is outputted from the operating system. The audio input capture means that you are actually recording something using your computer's microphone or an external microphone, and it will be captured by OBS. So in the device drop down menu, select the microphone that is active with your computer or the microphone that you want to use. I'm gonna select the USB condenser microphone, and I'm going to click on OK. Now, if you look at it, audio input capture is active and it is sensing the audio that is actually sent over to OBS. So now you can actually pretty much record it, and there won't be any problem after the recording is completed. Let's say that you start recording, and then after the recording is completed, you can click on the stop recording button and it will stop the recording. Now, the next option is to add the webcam. You can also do that easily by clicking on the plus icon and adding the video capture device. This is the webcam capture option that you have in OBS. Unfortunately, my webcam is already used by another software, so it cannot be used in this particular software as well. But if you have a webcam active in your laptop, or if you have a external webcam connected to the computer, it will start showing the capture from the webcam, and you can actually place the webcam anywhere on the screen. Like I'm just going to show you how. As you can see, this black box with a red border, it is the webcam capture. Let's say it is the webcam capture, and you can pretty much resize it by dragging and resizing using the perimeters or the borders, and when you are done with resizing, you can place it anywhere on the screen. Now, when you click on the recording, in this particular black box, your webcam will be captured and your audio will be captured and the screen recording will be captured. On top of that, you can also configure OBS to capture the windows, which means that let's say that you have a particular window opened up on your computer and you only want to capture that particular audio. and video from that software. You can also select the window option and it will work seamlessly. Now, I don't actually use OBS to record my screen because I've been using a web application called PepperCloud. PepperCloud is an amazing web application because it lets you record the screen, share it, edit it, and do all kinds of stuff that you cannot actually do with OBS. As you all know, OBS actually does not come packed with an editor, and everything from the setup to export and everything in between needs to be done manually on OBS, which is something that I cannot actually live with, considering the fact that I have to create a lot of content for students and followers who actually watch my videos to learn something new. So I actually prefer using PepperCloud. So if you want a software that has a lot of options and can easily be configured without going through all these complicated tasks, you can pretty much get started with PepperCloud by going to peppercloud.com. Now, the next thing that you want to look is the settings panel. In the settings panel, you can actually tweak all the settings to make sure that the exported video is of very high quality. So in order to do that, go to the output panel, and in that output panel, select the advanced option. In that advanced option, go to the recording option, and you can actually select the location wherever you want to save that recording. And after that, you can also select the video format that you want to export in. I'm going to use the MP4 format because that's the amount of quality that I need. And you can actually use whatever stream, the encoder that you have on your computer. I'm going to use NVIDIA because I have an NVIDIA's graphic card in my computer. As soon as you select the NVIDIA graphic card, it will ask you if you want to rescale the output. In this case, I do want to rescale the output, and I'm going to rescale it to full HD resolution, which is 1920 by 1080p resolution. And after that, that's pretty much it. I'm not going to do anything else here, and just GPU 1. And then I'm going to go to the audio in this section. I'm gonna make sure that the audio is of higher quality in at least 2 tracks. One is for the microphone, the second one is for the audio. And then I'm gonna go to the audio. As you can see, pretty much simple, nothing to do here. And the video, as we already saw in the installation process, you don't need to change anything. But if you want, you can change the frame rate from 30 to whatever you want. In the hotkey section, you can actually assign any shortcut key to start the recording and stop the recording. So that was pretty much how you can actually set up OBS for recording your computer screen, and how you can actually record your screen using OBS. Let me know in the comment section below if you have any doubts regarding this particular tutorial. If you like this video, please click on the like button. If you want to see future videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.